Good evening, everyone. This is Assistant Professor Bhavisha Verma, SD College, Ambala Kent, and today I'm going to explain the topic impacts of internet on market planning. And where market planning is concerned, it is concerned with deciding the strategies that are related to product, price, promotion, and distribution of an organization. And internet uh, has changed the way of doing business. Like when we sell offline, when we sell offline, we need to do more kind of sales, more kind of advertisements, and we cannot approach the customers for 24/7. But when we talk of online marketing, we can approach a customer 24/7, and we can and this is the basic this is the basic what we say this is the basic idea of going online by selling your product 24/7 to the customers, as e-commerce has managed to get greater avenues from the marketing mix. And successful online marketing depends upon how effectively marketing mix is used to reach the greatest highs as compared to traditional marketing. So impacts of internet on market plan is based on the product, on the price, on the place, on the promotion, and on the distribution. So when we talk of the product, a product is the bundle of attribute which developed according to our needs, and it involves the large number of market research behind it. And when we see a product online on online sites, we see that the products are better managed. We see that there are different segments of the product. For women there are different segment, for men there are different segment, for kids there are different segments, and for kitchen items there are different segments. Like we see on the Amazon app, there are different segment for each and every kind of product. And we get more customized product. Like how when we have different taste and preferences, every customer has different taste and preferences, so we can create our product online. Like on a furniture site, we can create our product according to our needs, according to our comforts. Like if we want to get a chair for our comfort, we can create according how the chair should be made with, and which what type of wood and what type of the comfort it should be give to us. Like we can create the product according to our needs and preferences. We get cluster clear information when we talk of the product. Cluster clear information means that the product, how is the product is going to look like when it reaches to us, how the product is going how the product is coming to us, what kind of material is used in the product, what is that from where the product is coming to us, and in how do you and in how much duration does the product is coming to us. Like everything we get while we are purchasing a product online. On the effects on the price, like we get more competitive prices when we purchase online. Like there are different number of competitors, and we can compare the price of each and every site, and get the product from where from where we get maximum discounts. Like we always does, we get more amount of research regarding the price. Like when we purchase a product online, we can search more number of sites, and search the price regarding the similar product, and from where the price suits us, we purchases from there. We like if we are rewards, and online marketing sites also rewards the customers that are loyal. Like if we purchase a product from the similar sites for the number of time, they offer us various kinds of discounts, cash bonuses, and with the help of which we gets very loyal to the sites. And always while going to purchase, we always refer to the site that provides us much more discounts and offers. Online auction, like online auction, like eBay is a site where you can make they offer the online auction online auction, and like the purchaser who bids the highest gets the product. And next is a promotion. And on the basis of promotion, market plan or gets market plan is measured on the basis of promotion. Impacts of promotion, like we used to do lot of advertisement and sales promotion while we are going online, as and have to make more customer contacts by asking the feedback regarding the products. Like when we purchase any product from Amazon or any Mintra or any Flipkart, they continuously reminds you to rate the product, rewrite the feedback regarding the product, and regarding how they can get better regarding the product or regarding the sales. They always offer open communication for the customer regarding the product's feedback. And like in promotion element, we choose promotion component of marketing mix refers to the communication strategy used by the organization for the product and the company's advertisement. Organizations also have limited budget regarding, as we all know that going online is easy, but maintaining online promotion is very much difficult. Like we have to continuously change our advertisements from time to time, so that the whenever customer goes online for online purchasing, he or she always get new offers to which they get attracted and purchases our product. And for online for distribution, as distribution is concerned, distribution has eliminated the intermediaries involved in the distribution, and it has overcome the geographical limitations. Like now there is no place where the delivery boys cannot reach. They can reach every nooks and corner of the country or the remote areas, and they have removed and they are providing us delivery at the doorsteps. And they are not charging for the online, and they are not charging for the distribution, and they have eliminated the travel and the time cost. Like if we do an online order, we within the 2 or 3 days we get the delivery. It's very rare when the delivery is extended to 5 days or 7 days or 10 days. It enables, and if we on of online and if we order online, we get many we get many offers on the delivery options. Like if we order the product, we get delivery off. We get if we get bonus regarding the delivery coupons we get, and remains all time open and locates product quicker. We can monitor the product. We can monitor the delivery time of the product. We can monitor the delivery time को भी हम monitor कर सकते हैं, and we can adjust the delivery time as when we want the product, and when we cannot and when we can get the product when we are available at home, or we can tell them that the delivery timing should be between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or after the 5 p.m. as what suits us. Thank you.